I'm Matt Bryant. Welcome to my YouTube video. Please subscribe and comment section below. So you have a system here that is kind of between warm and cold air. The cold air is toward Denver, parts of New Mexico, Arizona, Salt Lake City, and Nevada. And so right behind it is a lot of warm air. And so it's kind of trapped between warm and cold. And so you have all this warm air going to the system for New Mexico, Gulf of Mexico, and then you have this cold air going system. This is a big chance for tornadoes developing. By 6 p.m. on Saturday, these systems have developed toward Kansas. You have some hail, and then Oklahoma has some storms showering up, and even Texas. So the storms are moving more east now. So they have developed more. As you can see, there's some rain off the coast here, and then some rain in Tennessee. So as it develops more on Sunday morning, this is around 4 a.m. on Sunday morning, the rain has developed in Omaha, near North Platte, Nebraska, near Kansas City. There's a lot of rain, and even down toward Houston. As y'all can see, there is some more rain. So here's Houston, just outside of the rain. Okay, so here we are. You see the system developing. Now by 8 p.m., actually 9 p.m. on Sunday, the storms had moved a little east of Houston. Hold on, let me zoom in. See, so the storms have moved east. But if you go back a little at 12 p.m., the storms are on Houston. And you have some rain and snow still getting mixed in. But look at the system. Look how huge the system is as it's developing. It's developed really well. By 6 p.m. on Sunday, as you can see, hail and some heavy rain toward Kansas City. Omaha is developing, and parts of Arkansas. The rain is starting to leave Houston and Texas, and then by 9 p.m. it has left Houston, and near Missouri, near Kansas City, there's this hail you have to watch out for, because that's going to develop, and that could really be bad, because so there's still some power outages from the winter storm, and then so that would cause even more power outages if there are tornadoes and for just severe storms. And then so by Monday at 3 a.m. that's weekend, there isn't as much thunderstorms popping up as y'all can see. But then by 12 p.m. It has developed, but kind of the system's starting to depart from the base, which is right here in Kansas. Yeah, base is in Kansas. Hold on. So, but then on Monday, this is at 12 p.m. on Monday. By 5 p.m., so it has separated, but a big thing is it's raining a lot of snow to Chicago, St. Paul, Mitchell. Up there it's raining some snow, and then there's this another system entering California. And then by Tuesday, the storms will have to kind of ruin, but as you can see, by Tuesday, it's starting this kind of interesting cycle. So you have some rain in Houston, all on the Gulf Coast. And that is developing with some hail, and then offshore you still have some, but you have to watch out for this. This could turn, and then you have the snow up here. And then look at Wednesday. So this is Wednesday at 5 a.m. Storms have reunited, and you have another big system. You have some snow, some freezing rain, and then you have some hail on the west side. Then you have this line of storms in Houston, and then you have some more storms still off the coast. Florida, a little in Charleston, but it's really leaving. But then by 7 p.m., this storm has blown up. I mean, you can see all the severity of storm. But hold on, let me go back actually first. 12 p.m. actually 1 p.m. on Wednesday. The storms are in Houston and Texas still. But where I was earlier, let me show you the big difference. Whereas earlier at 7 p.m., all systems have really left Texas, maybe a tiny bit here, but mainly left. But the system has grown. You have all the severity there. Louisiana, Tennessee, Kentucky, Missouri, Kansas, all this bad weather. By 7 p.m. on Thursday, let me move out here. Really, it's gotten separated. There's not much left to the system. It's starting to leave. And then by Friday at 1 a.m., it's mainly off coast, but then there's some snow developing, some new thunderstorms. So yeah, that's one model. Let's go back and let me show you the other model. And so the other model on the GFS, I kind of trust this more. So it says it's going to be kind of separated, but then on Sunday at 1 a.m., it has developed, but not as strong near Texas, but in Oklahoma it's pretty strong. And then, so as you see, it's developing more. They don't see as much rain, but the snow is still there in Denver. I mean, I think that's going on all factors, on all whatever model you look at. And then by 7 a.m., they kind of separate the storms. So same idea, but there could be tornadoes y'all should watch out for, because that definitely could happen anytime. And the wind threat is going to be there. You start off Sunday. You have some more wind. How fast is it? 36 knots. That's pretty fast wind, right? And then Sunday at 4 p.m. Let's go. By 9 a.m., just wind. There isn't much wind left. Then look at Tuesday at 8 a.m. Still not much wind, right? But by 7 p.m., you have some of the wind starting to form here near Lubbock, and to New Mexico. And then by Wednesday, when the new set of storms, this threat, the second threat, is moving in, you don't see so much wind until really Thursday, where there's some wind there. Bits again, how fast are 33 knots. Pretty fast. And by 9 p.m. it's over. All gone. So thank you for watching my weather video. Please subscribe, comment in the comment section below, and also check out all my rest of my videos. I'll be posting alerts on the system as it develops, and I'll give you more updates. So thank you, and please subscribe.